Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And your USB is not recognized, not working, not detecting. So how to fix? So first method is check physically connections. Ensure that the USB device are properly connected to your USB port, and something loose connections may read connectivity issues. Okay, so guys, you connect to your, if using suppose desktop, so connect backside, try to backside. If you already connected to backside, to current connect to front side. If you using laptop, so change USB port. Okay, then guys, first step, so update your drivers. So right click to uh, Windows icon, then go to device manager, then this is universal. Okay, extract this, and all one by one port update the driver, Windows upgrade, sorry, driver upgrade. Okay, then try this one. So both to, this is 3 point showing 3.0, 3.0 in your 3.2, 2.0, 2. So all the windows, this is all USB drivers. Okay, then close. So next, check Windows update. Ensure that your operating system is up to date. Windows upgrade after include the bug fix, driver upgrade, then you can address relocate the issue. So first click to start and go to setting, go to Windows update. So had to this is up to date your system. If any pending KB series, and so first download and install. Then next, if not working, so go to uninstall latest update. Then guys, next step,
Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth command also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.